Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to wipe cache. To wipe cache on your device, first let's go to Settings and find Apps. Enter it, and now select one app you would like to wipe cache from, for example Chrome. Enter Storage and select Clear Cache. If you want to clear cache from the whole device, you can use additional downloaded app from the Play Store. In other case, you have to wipe cache manually from each app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.